Hello everyone, this is a demonstration videos of a LEXUS IS250 that it has the symptom of a black screen when turning on, and it will show up the screen like this. A program cannot be read. Please consult dealer. It might show up the sound like trying to read something, a disc inside. It might be silent, but the same thing is it will show up a screen like this, and it say contact the dealer. Okay, so what is the symptom is it doesn't work, it doesn't turn on, it just stop right there, nothing else, no sound, no control, no camera, and no steering, and nothing is working from the infotainment system. And what is the solution for this, and what actually the first we want to know is what is the cost of this thing, and what's next is what the solution. So we will talk about that in another video soon. So we'll see you on the next one. Thank you.